Welcome to the introduction video for our step-by-step construction guides on how to build your polytunnel. We understand that being able to see is better than reading off a page. A picture speaks 1,000 words. This is why we have created step-by-step instructional videos detailing every part of the construction of your polytunnel. Throughout the printed instruction manual that is supplied with all polytunnel orders, you will see QR codes. Simply scan these QR codes with your phone and you will be directed to the correct video. Upon receiving your order, we start to pick and pack your polytunnel and get it ready for dispatch. Your polytunnel will be delivered by our nationwide courier and will consist of several different packages. If you have any queries regarding delivery of your polytunnel, please visit www.firsttunnels.co.uk/shipping. Throughout the construction of your polytunnel, you'll be using a variety of steel tubes at various lengths. Identifying these steel tubes is easy. Taking this code, for example, 25/50FS, the first number indicates the diameter of the tube and the second number indicates the length. The two letters that precede the numbers indicate the finish to each end. F indicates flattened end, S indicates swaged end, and P indicates plain end. For this example, the steel tube has a 25mm diameter, is 50 cm long, with one flattened end and one swaged end. The next video in this playlist will be how to set the foundations for your polytunnel. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel at construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.